Hi guys. So I just wanted to make a quick update video on this thing before I put the wheels back on it. So I wanted to show you guys I got my coilovers installed. So here are my BC coilovers. So I've got the brakes all on, Hawk Racing brake pads, stainless braided lines. I got my brakes bled, so I've got fluid in the system now. You can see I used a vacuum bleeder and I completely filled. It is completely full, my bleeder. Here's the other side. I still need to mess around with the brake lines. I bought these clips on Amazon. They don't work very well, so I don't know. I wanted to have all the clips in there, but I'll have to mess with that a little bit. Here's the camber plates. They look super cool. Let's see. I'll show you the back. So I got the brakes all done on the back as well. You can see I'm running the divorced setup. So there's the shock here, here's the spring. So yeah, this thing, I'm ready to put the wheels and tires on. I'm having trouble picking out some wheels. I might just get some new tires for these wheels until I can get some wheels custom made. But I really want some works. So yeah, today after work, hopefully I'll be able to do a final bolt check and put the wheels on this thing and take it for a drive. I won't go far, obviously, and I can't do any rips on it because I keep saying in every single video that, oh, I just got to time it, but I just haven't gotten around to it. I need to do the ignition timing. But I'm really liking how it's coming together. So I think the new brakes make a really big difference. That way you don't look through the wheel and see some nasty rusty calipers. I reused the calipers, but freshen them up a little bit. So they were really easy to install, the coilovers. Probably the easiest I've ever installed. Even though you have to pack the bearings and everything, it was still very easy. So the brake fluid I used is this 5.1 brake fluid. So it's probably better brake fluid than I need, but that's fine. Anyway, that's all I've got for this video, guys. Just showing you that my coilovers are installed and that they look super nice. And I just wanted to do a quick video real quick just because next I'm going to put the wheels on it. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks, guys.